Hi, today we're going to show you how to cook in the Delivita Origin. The Origin is a true wood-fired pizza, giving you the traditional experience of cooking with live fire, giving you the incredible flavour that comes with it. Before we light the fire though, we want to make sure that we've got our wood fire protector correctly positioned. You must never light a fire directly on the stone. The wood must always be used in conjunction with the wood firestone protector. Simply add a small amount of firelighter, dry kindling, followed by a couple of pieces of seasoned hardwood into the protector. Thing is here, don't overload it. The aim isn't a huge roaring fire, it's a gentle, controlled burn. Now place the protector into the middle of the oven and then light the fire. As the fire grows, we'll push that back and then keep feeding it little and often. As the fire starts to develop, get yourself a Delivita pizza turner and then push this to the back. Good. And then for the next hour, what you want to do is gradually feed this. Just keep on putting logs on top of it and allow the temperature to just build slowly. We're looking for a strong, established fire with a good bed of hot embers and a live flame. The flame should begin to roll across the top of the oven, helping to heat the oven chamber and the pizza stone evenly. The cooking temperature of the pizza stone should be around about 350 to 400 degrees. Use an infrared thermometer to check the temperature at the stones. That's how you cook a pizza with the wood in Delivita Origin. Build your fire gradually, manage your heat, and let the oven do the work. For more Delivita tutorials, recipes, and cooking inspiration, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.